Hey, it's Wednesday. We're almost halfway through the week and on our way to the weekend. Yesterday we talked a little bit about FHA loans, the pros and cons, if it's something that'd be right for you. Today let's dive in to VA loans. VA loans are available for veterans, service members, and in most cases surviving spouses as well to secure a home loan. One of the biggest pluses is it is a zero down product, no down payment. So if you're purchasing a house for $200,000, the loan's going to be for $200,000. Another major plus is no private mortgage insurance. So what that means is a lot of times when you have a loan that's over 80% loan to value, private mortgage insurance has to be put on that loan. In this instance, with it being a 100% purchase price loan, there is no mortgage insurance, which is a major benefit to our veterans and service members. They have a lot of great refi options, such as the interest rate reduction refinance loan. So if you currently have a VA loan, rates are better than what you originally purchased at. They have a refinance option. There are some qualifications in order to do that to make sure that we're improving the interest rate enough to benefit the veteran or service member. But it's another great option when it comes to refinancing. As far as bankruptcy, shortened terms as far as when you can apply. Typically for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or a foreclosure, the VA will only requires 2 years after that instance in order to qualify for a VA loan. Typically better terms and interest rates. Now, let's talk about some, I wouldn't necessarily call them negatives, but some things you want to take into account when it comes to a VA loan. Most borrowers have to pay a VA funding fee. The funding fee is a mandatory fee that's charged by the VA to help keep the program running for future generations. The good news is you can finance this into the loan. So it can be added to the loan above and beyond what that purchase price is. And borrowers with service-connected disabilities, have a Purple Heart, our surviving military spouses in some instances are excluded from paying this fee. So what we would need is your DD-214, which would get us a certificate of eligibility, and we can actually see what is going to be required by you. The only negative there again too is the funding fee does typically increase on subsequent use. Again, we have to get that certificate of eligibility to see what exactly it's going to be. They are intended for primary residence only, so you're not going to be purchasing investment property, second homes, or anything along those lines. VA loans are one of my favorite loans to do. Our service members, the military, they go above and beyond and fight on the front lines for us to ensure our freedom. So this is a definite benefit for them. Love working with veterans. So go ahead and give me a call if you have any questions. Like I said, a lot of times to check your eligibility, your DD-214, that'll tell us what exactly your certificate of eligibility says as far as a funding fee and stuff along those lines. But I'd love to sit down and talk. Message, email, give me a call. Always happy to help. Michael Love, First Mid Bank and Trust, NMLS number 1764829. You guys have a great Wednesday. And we are this close to the weekend.